What's up, guys? Working on the 61 Lancia, pulling out the rest of the AC stuff, controller, so I can finish getting out the main harness that's somewhere down there. All right, over here, still working on the 61, working on getting the AC stuff out, kind of dark, so I can get all this wiring out. All right, guys, got the air box out, got a couple dash vents take out, and then I start pulling the wiring. Oops, maybe a little too close. From there, all the way over, then start going underneath the car. There's the air box.
Today's episode of Fat Guy in a Little Car.
Hey, whoa, 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 whoa.
What are you doing, Bernsey?
Oh, you know, following wiring, taking out the AC stuff.
Yeah, you got a lot going on in there.
Yes, I do. This whole harness has got to come out.
Everything's got to come out because we got to start fresh.
Yes, sir.
So you're on it.
Yes, sir.
Your undies are on the internet, by the way.
Oh, fuck you. I thought you were over here.
Fat man in a little car, everybody. Fat man in a little
That's
car.
an understatement. Oh my god, that's too funny.
All right, carrying on. Bernsey.
Just a little bit.
Look at all this.
Got all the HVAC stuff. I mean, there's the dryer because I need somebody to put a socket on this side and they have a bolt on the other side.
It's through bolted.
Yeah,
So we gotta get that out.
I'm working on.
You gotta get those lines out of the firewall.
Yeah, I just gotta pop that out. I was waiting to get everything else out. Now I have room to actually pry
Get it.
what I need to pry.
So now we also need to basically block off or loop the heater core because there's not going to be heater anymore because it was part of that box. So we got to loop that. That's not a big deal. There's already a plug in one side. This side, we'll just put a cap on it and we're done. So got that going, got the wiring going, got all of this HVAC stuff out. We need to box this up. What do we got going on in here? You got most of it out? Oh yeah, take and film.
Got majority of the harness out. I'm just working on getting it over the steering column. And then right in the firewall there, I got to pull the harness out for the engine bay.
Yeah,
but everything else,
this stuff like the green and the brown here, that's the lights. So we're gonna leave that be.
Yep. Otherwise, everything else is pretty much pulled over and ready to go.
Nice. Progress. A couple hours and you got a lot done.
Yes, sir.
Now we got to get him boxed up and situated.
Yeah, we'll get it boxed up and cleaned up in the morning. I'll be here bright and early finishing up the harness.
You and Scotty. Yeah, so you video that. And you guys will airdrop at me in the morning. Or in the afternoon when I get it.
Yes, sir.
Because I'm on the rolls in the morning, boys. The rolls.
Is it a rolled canardly still?
It doesn't even roll. Well, it rolls if you push it.
So it's a roll, is it can hardly roll?
It can hardly roll. It can hardly roll.
Yeah.
Aye, matey.
So.
That's figured out.